All right, guys, welcome back to today's video. So we got a special one. We just got the grill back from Hector from Howlin' Wolf. So that is right here. That's done, painted up, looks good. We're gonna get rid of the black one that's on here. I'm just not a big fan of all the black. So when he was here dropping that thing off, we did some tires for him, and he let us know that there was a burnout competition in the next town over. So 2 years ago we did the same burnout competition with Rory, hooked up to him. I blew my motor. Not really a big deal, so we're gonna do that again this year. So I've already swapped out the big tires for the small ones, but she's been running kind of rough. It's been pretty bad. She misfired. She's got a lot of things. So I ended up changing the intake. So check this out. So if you can see it, there's a crack that runs from the center of the intake all the way down right here. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, you can see it. So right there's a big crack. Then how many nitrous backfires I've had is burst this panel off, and I've glued it on, and I missed a spot right there. I don't know if you can see that, but I missed a spot of the glue right here. So it's been running like crap. So it needs a new tune. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the laptop on it and mess with some of the fueling. And we're gonna get this thing fired up and ready to go. So I'm not an expert with the tuning. I have enough knowledge to get it to run okay. Okay. I think I've got it set up. I'm gonna check the idle real quick and make sure that's at 775. Okay. We'll try it. We'll write this tune and see what it does. Okay, we'll try it now. I don't like how that was idling. That looks good. Okay. I think it sounds good. We're gonna hit the rev and see what it does real quick. Because if it revs up good and it doesn't stutter, we're good to go. Oh yeah, we're good to go. All right, we'll take it for a test drive, make sure everything's good to go before we just ship it. Expecting that, so that seems like it takes off pretty well. I was not expecting that at all. Wow. Okay, this is going to be another hit with nitrous. Let's see what it does. Get this thing loaded up on the trailer and get it ready for tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, what's up, guys? So we made it to Quebec. We got the Jeep. We're gonna go talk to Rory and see if he wants to be our anchor for the burnout contest. Okay, so we talked to Rory and he didn't want to do it. He's only got old blue
on there. So what we're gonna end up doing is I got a volunteer. Mr. Hector said that he would hook it up and we're going to do a burnout. So he did the mud runs earlier, so.
Oh yeah, check it out, dude. Did the mud runs.
Dang.
And $100. That's what I'm talking about.
Winter chicken dinner, bud.
Winter already, and then we're gonna do this crazy burnout. So
yeah, the nitrous is gonna work a lot better this year, just because we didn't have a full bottle last time. Engine was tired, and it sent it home. So we're gonna try it again. We're gonna try a couple different things and just kind of play with it.
I asked you guys if you had it. Sorry. Sorry.
I lost my wig.
I did too. She's sitting there asking me while we're on camera.
That's all right, I can edit this out. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try it out. So
yeah, he's got it real tuned up. He's up late night with the laptop. And
11 o'clock at night, tuning
getting
it.
Fueled up and good.
Nitrous is full. We got full 10 pounds.
Nice.
It's gonna be sick.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
All right, let's do it.
You don't need no stinking water.
Don't need no stinking water.
That's the wrong one.
Back it up, do it again.
Back it up. Back it up.
Back it up. Stuck left.
I'm not sure what happened here, but we tried to take it out of rear-wheel drive and the transfer case cable broke. So the only option we had was to do a front-wheel drive burnout.
How many levers you got in there? That's not necessary. What is going on? I think the transfer case just... Oh no. Make sure you turn the nitrous bottle on.
Job done. Woo!
So we got the exhibition coming up.
Should be a good one.
We'll see how he does.
Last time these guys tried something, broke a couple axles, so might be interesting to sit around and watch this one. That's what you want to do?
I think that might be better.
What do you want to do? Wow, how's it going?
It's going great.
We're figuring out the tranny or the torque or
The cable snapped.
oh, okay.
So it snapped off, so I had to go in there manually.
Gotcha.
And
Gotcha.
get it to lock in. Now we're just stuck in 4 low. So
Hey, that's all right. We're gonna let her eat though, huh?
yeah.
All right. Have fun, boys. God dang blowers.
Make a lot of heat.
Make a lot of heat. Make a lot of power.
So Rory decided he wanted to do a nitrous versus blower tug of war. So I stayed in 4-wheel drive, he stayed in 2-wheel drive, and this is what happened.
That's what I was thinking.
Alright, you want to start spinning, and then I'll start pulling you? Alright.
Blower on nitrous.
Lower on nitrous!
This looks crazy. Let's give it up. Woo! There are no longer any mosquitoes in the North Carolina. Taking care of them all.
How was that, boys?
That was sick.
You're welcome. You can't breathe. You can't breathe.
How you doing back here? Not good. You chose this. Yeah, you did this to yourself. You picked this one.
Oh. That was pretty fun.
For all the contestants, thank you. Woo! Thank you for all the good volunteers.
You walked it pretty good. Walked it pretty good.
So that whole time he wasn't even on the brake. You were just holding him there. He was holding you there.
Oh,
it was
wow.
4-on-4 tires, dude.
It was 4-on-4.
4-on-4. Nitrous versus blower.
Yeah.
Small block, big block.
That's right.
That was awesome, dude. Dude, I was off the brake.
So was I. I was just sitting.
I know, but I mean, I let you go, and then I started smoking mine. I'm like, later, man. I was like, I bet it'll start pulling a little bit. No, it just sat right there.
It sat there. It got hot, and it got hot quick. That was a lot funner than the last
Oh, yeah.
So I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out. We had probably 5 different people holding the camera, but either way, we had a lot of fun. This thing held up. We didn't blow it like the last time, but we're gonna get this thing loaded up. We're gonna go back home in the AC. It's about 100 degrees outside. Special thanks to Rory and Hector for helping us out. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, comment, tell me what you guys think. We have a whole bunch of collaboration videos coming up. You guys are not gonna want to miss what we're gonna do. So hit that subscribe button and follow us along and see what we get into. See you in the next video.